Hey everyone, we are about to step into the future of audio with the Sony WH-1000XM5. Imagine a world where every sound is crystal clear, every note is perfect, and the outside world just fades away. Sounds like a dream, right?
Wait, are you telling me that these headphones are like having a magic portal to my own private concert?
You got it, Tom. The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones offer industry-leading noise cancellation, incredible sound quality, and a host of smart features that make them the ultimate listening experience. Whether you are a music lover, a frequent traveler, or just someone who appreciates top-notch audio, these headphones are a game changer. And here's a bonus. In the description box down below, I have got a link for the Sony WH-1000XM5 along with all the other products I'm going to compare against in this video.
Now that's what I call a sound investment.
Fun fact time, these headphones use dual noise sensor technology and a new integrated processor to deliver some of the best noise cancellation available. Ready to dive into the details? Stick around as we unpack everything you need to know about the Sony WH-1000XM5. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So, first impressions, Tom, what do you think?
Well, they look pretty sleek, I like the design, but are they comfortable?
They definitely are. The XM5s have a lightweight and streamlined design. They don't fold up like the previous models, but they are incredibly comfortable for long listening sessions. The ear cups are padded with soft vegan leather, and the headband is thinner but still sturdy.
I noticed they come in black, blue, and silver, but no water resistance, is that right?
Correct. They aren't water resistant, which is a bit of a downside, but their overall build quality and design make up for it. Let's talk about the tech specs now. The XM5s feature 30mm drivers, which are smaller than the previous 40mm ones, but still deliver excellent sound quality.
Smaller drivers? That doesn't sound good.
It's actually not a problem. Despite the smaller drivers, the sound quality is top-notch, thanks to the high rigidity DOM and soft edge design. These headphones also support LDAC for high-resolution audio and have a built-in digital sound enhancement engine Extreme to upscale compressed music files.
And what about the battery life?
They offer up to 30 hours of playback with noise cancellation and 40 hours without noise cancellation. Plus, a quick 3-minute charge gives you about 3 hours of playback. Moving on to performance, the XM5s excel in noise cancelling. They have dual processors and 8 microphones that work together to provide exceptional noise cancellation.
Whoa, 8 mics! That's a lot!
Yes, it is. The adaptive sound control adjusts the noise cancellation based on your activity and location, providing an immersive listening experience.
And the sound quality?
The sound is well balanced with powerful bass and clear mids and highs. They are great for both music and calls. The touch controls are also intuitive, allowing you to manage playback, volume, and calls with simple gestures. Now let's break down the pros and cons.
My favorite part.
Starting with the pros. Number 1, WH-1000XM5 comes with excellent noise cancellation capabilities. Number 2, it provides high quality sound with well-balanced audio. Number 3, it's comfortable for long listening sessions. Number 4, it has intuitive touch controls. And number 5, it has great battery life and quick charging.
And the cons?
As for the cons, well, number 1, it's not water resistant. Number 2, it's not cheap, guys. Its price is relatively high compared to previous models. Number 3, the new design is less portable since they don't fold. Now let's compare the XM5s with the AKG K702 and Beyerdynamic DT 900 Pro X.
Sure. How do they stack up?
Starting with the AKG K702, which is known for its open back design and excellent sound stage that makes it a great choice for studio use. However, it lacks the noise cancellation features of the XM5s and is less portable. And for more details, guys, you can watch our full review on the AKG K702 in the link above me.
And the Beyerdynamic DT 900 Pro X?
Next we have the DT 900 Pro X, which also has a great sound quality with a more neutral sound signature. It's comfortable and well built, but again, it doesn't offer noise cancellation and is not as feature rich as the XM5s. And again, for more details on the DT 900 Pro X, you can watch our full review on these headphones on the above link.
So the Sony XM5 headphones are more versatile then?
Exactly, the XM5s are designed for everyday use, offering great portability, advanced features, and superb noise cancellation capabilities, which makes them more suitable for on-the-go listeners. Finally, let's talk about the price to value. The XM5's price ranges around $350 to $400.
That's quite a bit. Are they worth it?
Considering the advanced noise cancellation, high quality sound, and comfort, they offer good value for those who prioritize these features. If you're looking for the best noise cancellation headphones with a rich set of features, the XM5s are a solid investment.
Sounds like a great deal. I might just get them myself. You can also find our video on the top 5 best studio headphones popped up for you on the screen right now. You can also find our video on the top 5 best studio headphones popped up for you on the screen right now. Check it out to know more about the top headphones in the market.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews. See you in the next one.
Bye, folks.